welcome back to 504 Road Trips. I'm Chadwick Von Dieselton, filling in for your regular host who is out with a case of the sniffles. Today, we continue south on Interstate 95, beginning as we cross the border into South Carolina and the community of Hammer. On the left is south of the border, a tourist attraction and, for some, a destination. South of the border is a 350-acre roadside attraction located just south of the North Carolina-South Carolina state line. It got its name from its location near the border and its role as a midway stop for early motorists traveling between New York and Florida. The site is themed with a faux Mexican aesthetic, referencing Mexico's position south of the U.S. border. Its mascot, Pedro, is a cartoonish caricature of a Mexican bandit. The complex was founded in 1950 by Alan Schaefer as a beer stand to serve travelers coming from Robeson County, North Carolina, at the time a dry county. Over time, it expanded into a sprawling attraction that now includes multiple restaurants, gas stations, a video arcade, a 300-room motel, a truck stop, souvenir shops, fireworks stores, a small amusement park, a campground, and a motocross training facility. Highlights also include Reptile Lagoon, the largest indoor reptile exhibit in the U.S., and a 200-foot observation tower topped with a sombrero-shaped deck. You can see a little bit more of that in our members-only section. Membership starts at $1 per month and gives early access to our regular videos, plus the occasional members-only video. We cross the Little Petey River and enter Dillon, the county seat and largest city in Dillon County, South Carolina. Both the city and county are named after James W. Dillon, an early settler who played a key role in bringing the railroad through the area. As of the 2020 U.S. Census, Dillon had a population of 6,384. The city is home to a public wellness center, a 40,000 square foot facility built in 2008 at a cost of $4.1 million. It includes a gym, sauna, walking track, exercise equipment, meeting rooms, and rental spaces. Daily access is available for $5, with monthly memberships also offered. Historically, Dillon earned the nickname Wedding Capital of the East because South Carolina's marriage laws once allowed couples as young as 14 to wed without many restrictions. Many newlyweds celebrated their honeymoons nearby at south of the border. An amusement park with kiddie rides and an arcade is the perfect place for 14-year-olds to honeymoon. We cross the Great Peaty River and enter Florence County with a population of 137,059 as of the 2020 census. The county was established in 1888 and named after its county seat, the city of Florence. The city itself was named by General William Wallace Harley, a prominent figure in the mid-19th century who served as president of the Wilmington and Manchester Railroad. Harley named the town in honor of his daughter, Florence, when the railroad junction was developed in the 1850s. As we approach the city of Florence, keep an eye out on the right at exit 170, you'll spot the sprawling wonderland that is Buc-ee's. If your idea of a good time includes 120 gas pumps, a wall of jerky, and more Beaver-branded merchandise than any one civilization needs, then congratulations, you've made it to paradise. We'll conclude today's video at mile 171. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to Front Seat channel member Jimmy B and backseat members Christopher Collins, The Big K, Laurie Smith, Martin Blaze, and Harry Mickelson. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.